What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ryan, and on this channel I do paranormal, randonautica, and urbex explorations. Now today in this video I actually did forget to do an intro, so that's why I'm here right now. But anyways, so basically in the last video there was 2 houses on the lot. This video right here is that second house, so if you haven't seen the first video yet, go check that out. Make sure to hit the like button on that video as well as this one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so and turn on that notification bell so you always know when I upload. But anyways, guys, I'm going to make this short and sweet. This video's different. It's kind of short, but I'm going to tell you guys, I missed a lot when I was actually there. I picked up a lot through editing, and I realize now that that place is probably really haunted, so I do definitely plan on going back. If you guys get it to 350 likes, then I will definitely go back at 3 a.m. If you get 1,000 likes on this video, I will go and spend the night there. So guys, make sure to smash that like button so you guys don't miss out on that kind of content. But anyways, guys, let's jump right into this video. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna explore the second house now. We're gonna check out a van that's over here first. Well, I am. Carly's back over there doing something. Looks like it was broken into. Someone pried the back door open or something. Huh. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, so we found a way into this one. This one's a lot cleaner. Someone was obviously in here vandalizing it.
Oh my God.
Oh wow. That's cool. Brand new doorknob. Old stove. Obviously this was the kitchen. Oh, there is a basement to this place. Is that what that is? Yeah. Huh. Old pot just chilling here. Nothing in it. Old, look, there's a Corona in the corner. Look at that clipboard. Oh, there is an upstairs?
I was wondering where
Huh. I was hearing something up there. Bunch of paperwork. Floppy disk.
Rosenfield, shift engineer.
Girls just want to have fun, Car. Okay, let's check out upstairs. I wonder if this here is any good, this fire extinguisher. What? It's still good. It's still good. Hey look, there's a phone number on the wall. Should you call it?
I don't want them calling in number again.
Alright, let's check out upstairs and we can check out the basement. I feel like I feel like this house is way more solid than the last. the ceiling's so low in here. Guys, just for reference, like, it's just like a hand higher. I'm only 5'10", but still, like these ceilings are low. If there was a light bulb in here, I'd crack my head off it. Legit. Okay, careful just walking around, eh? We haven't checked these floors out yet. Little closet space.
What I'm quite good about is why there's still flooring behind there. There's nowhere to get in there.
What the f? Are you sure there's no way to get in there?
Go take a look over there.
Ew, what the hell is that thing? Oh.
What?
Something dead there. I kind of want to look through this hole. It's like a little secret space. Wow, I have so many questions now.
Yeah. I must be a balcony out there. Just a little green room, you know?
Maybe it was another crawl space like that.
And it's just closed up.
Yeah, it's not wide. It's like 2 feet wide, maybe, just like that. Was there a balcony out there?
I think so. I mean, that's gotta be what that is.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder what would be in there.
Is that you? Oh. Why is there wallpaper on it?
Is there anything?
I don't know. There's something down in here, but... Oh, I got a spider on my head. So there must have been one of those over here, then they closed it up. Definitely weird. Alright.
You said there was a basement?
Yeah, there's a basement too. Okay, you want to go first? Or you want me to?
You go.
Guys, these stairs are so steep. Like you can see, straight up and down right now. Like, these are ridiculous.
Oh.
Look at those. Like, these are a size 12. These stairs are so small. Oh, probably a lot. Alright. It almost seems like someone was gonna start working on this place.
Yeah.
And they gave up. Maybe because it was so smashed up. Now these stairs I'm really skeptical of. Oh wow, okay.
What?
It looks like a finished basement.
Oh my.
Here knocks.
I did too.
Hello? Oh wow. sketchy that is. There's just like a doorway going outside. Under the porch, I would assume. These windows are barred up and I didn't even notice. Huh. Oh, a bunch of tiles. A thermostat. Watch out for freaking Regans. Oh, look at the old drill.
Do you see that old beanbag thing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the helmet. Dude, it says Essex on it. Canton Essex Mutual Fire Insurance Company. Oh, this was a bathroom? Hmm. What are you saying?
I said this would have been a nice house to fix.
Yeah. Yeah, at one time for sure. It's just about too far gone though, I would say.
Is that bag always on the ground there?
Bag. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it was always on the ground or what. Well, that's pretty much it for this house. Covered all the rooms. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this house. I hope you guys enjoyed that exploration. If you guys want us to come back here, just like the last one, 350 likes and we'll come back for a paranormal investigation at 3 a.m. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it this far and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure to do so. And make sure to smash that like button on your way down. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.